So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to chat yourself on WhatsApp. Crazy, right? So without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your web browser like Google or Chrome. Just search a term. I just give that entire link on screen and description as well. Just search wa.me / your country code plus your number. Okay, so after that click on search, then it will be appear like this. Now click on green button. So now just type a message for yourself, it will be redirected to your chat, right? So this is how you can chat yourself on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching.